Content creators are hitting a breaking point in 2026, buried under token costs and constant production burnout. But what if you could remove yourself from the equation entirely? We've engineered an autonomous flywheel that turns keyword insights into enterprise grade assets without a single human click. It's time to stop managing and start scaling. Architecting the autonomous keyword engine, integrating real time predictive APIs to identify high velocity search clusters before they trend. Building the trigger mechanism that converts raw data into structured content briefs. Transitioning from manual research to a self sorting intelligence layer that feeds the production cycle. The lean automation protocol engineering low token consumption workflows to maximize output without exploding operational costs, utilizing modular LLM chaining to maintain high density information quality across every asset, moving from bulk generation to precision targeted manufacturing that mimics expert level nuance. Establishing the feedback flywheel, implementing automated performance audits that re-inject successful data points back into the system, how the machine learns from its own ranking fluctuations to optimize future production runs, bridging the gap between content creation and autonomous self-correction without human intervention, infinite scale and enterprise governance, deploying the flywheel at scale to dominate entire industry verticals simultaneously, setting up automated sanity checks and guardrails to ensure brand safety at high velocities, future-proofing the system to integrate with emerging multimodal AI agents as they evolve.